Let's take it over to pro trader Jane Gallina for the final trade of the day. And Jane, how are you handling this bearish market?
Thank you, Angela. Well, you might be wondering, what on earth do trampolines have to do with the stock market? Right now, we have seen a downward turn in the indexes since January on the Qs, March for S&P 500 ETF, the SPY. And so right now, I'm looking at these mini bounces as potential short squeezes to sell into for a more bearish short trade to the downside. We did see larger dark pool selling, meaning that big money of the market was selling up at the top. And until I start to see them buying in at the bottom, I'm going to have a bearish sentiment on the market overall, which means these little bounces could be perfect opportunities for people to sell into. And then once we start to see those dark pool prints, big money buying coming in at the bottom, it creates that nice little smiley face rounded bottom for us. And that to me will give us the picture that it's time to get back in for longer term trades. When we look at the SPY S&P 500 ETF, we can see that if we break below 380, we're going to be dropping down further, likely in my opinion to 330, if below that 280. And if it turns into an 18-month downward turn like 2007 to 2009, then we could see we go all the way down to the sub 200s. With the Russell 2000 ETF, IWM, if we break that 170 mark, I think we could see that we could easily go down to 150 and maybe down to 130 as well, depending on how long this downward turn does last in the market.
You're always so logical with your trades. Thank you, Jane.
Thank you, Angela. It's always a pleasure.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.